Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. It's a very exciting day for us over here because we dropped in the market and we hit another buy limit. It's kind of an inside joke, but literally, we love when the market drops. Dogecoin, we got in here for this first buy limit at 28 cents. We ended up coming down and hitting our second buy limit at 20 cents over here, November 26th, which was today. Our entry, guys, was normally up here, and this would have normally been a loss for everybody who market ordered in at top prices up here. Let's say they FOMOed into this price. They're currently down at the moment 29.48%. We didn't do a single thing, and our entry here for for Dogecoin moved down to 0.245, saving us from 20, let's say 30%. Now we are only down in the markets about 17, okay? That is about a 13% decrease in losses that we've gained back automatically by hitting our buy limit. Okay, let's get into today's video. Okay, we are currently 84 wins. We actually won another trade yesterday on Ethereum where I was able to call this exit for you guys. We literally got out right at the top up here, and then we saw the market take a crash and we put a stop loss here as well. So we did very well on that and we got out. So congrats, guys, for everyone who's following me in the Telegram channel, and you guys are taking our trades even in a bear market. We are not losing trades over here. We are still winning them and we're getting out. And the indicators, guys, the indicators are ridiculously accurate at calling that drop in here right when we saw us move in the top red section here, as well as the price versus money flow, which I actually explained it over here in the channel. This is where I exited because I was expecting to see a move back down. So great job, guys, for everyone who's able to get into that trade. So let's go over today. We're going to go over Dogecoin. You guys ready for this? So let's do this. Dogecoin, let's open this up. Let's get in. I was looking at this ascending support line as a possible break to the upside, which was a 1-touch, 2-touch, 3-touch here. And we didn't actually see the pump back up. We ended up seeing this nice move back down. If you guys have been following this channel for a while, you guys know that the tug of war between long and short trades on Dogecoin has been crazy, which I will be going over and showing this to you guys on our metrics. It has been nuts. It kind of seems as though short trades ended up winning this battle in here, okay? Let's take a look at these two indicators down here to see if we could have gotten any signs that we could have been heading down. And I do believe we did. If you guys watch this over here, this was pushed up a little bit higher when this candle right here came up here and we started to pump up here. The reason why it came back down is because we just closed a little bit lower than the high of the candle when it was in its duration of within the 4 hours. This pushing up here was a sign that we could see a move back down. That is what I was looking at. Also, that was what I was seeing over here on Ethereum as well. These are great places to look for drops back down on the market because this indicator is the most accurate that you guys will ever use to call drops in crypto. I'm confident about that because I think we are now the highest winning channel on YouTube for calling trades on cryptocurrency. I'm doing this. I'm not trying to be arrogant about this. I've spent meticulous hours. I've even had the founders of tradingview.com try to purchase our indicators. And I'm like, hey, man, I appreciate that. I'm flattered, but I'm going to keep this for our members here. And they're like, okay, we understand that. So it's cool. Great relationship I have with them. So in here, I want to show this to you guys. Now that we are pushing down to the bottom red section of the trend exhaustion, what I like to do is look very quickly to see what's happened in the past when we push down here. We are seeing a little bit of rebounds back in the market when we get down to these lower sections here, and then we see some kind of bigger moves back up. When we hit this wick value down here, we started to see a nice pump. We saw us hit the bottom red section. Great demand took over and flew this price up through the roof, okay? We're seeing these rebounds back in the market when we get down to these bottom red sections, and I want you guys to be watching this as well because this is indicative of a future move back up. A lot of people are buying today on Black Friday, and today's the day to be buying if you guys are going to be buying into crypto and then getting your buy limits set up. So let me show you guys now. We're going to transition over to the metrics, and then I'm going to show you guys how to set up our trades so you do not have to miss another one, and I'll show you guys our Black Friday sale we have going on. You do not want to miss that. The trend exhaustion is showing me that all the retail trader indicators, RSI, stochastic, and MACD, and the big moving averages, they are all bearish. Everyone's selling. What are we doing? We are literally buying. Here is the exact buy limit that has been on this chart since October 29th, almost an entire month. I've been managing this trade, and I keep everything transparent for you guys. I'm so happy we ended up dropping in this market so we could drop down and get another buy limit in. And on top of this, guys, we're totally fine. We have 2 other buy limits in the market that if it drops down really far, we're totally secure. And we're just going to ride this back up into profit and take another win. Guys, seriously, with this type of risk management, you quote unquote never have to lose a trade again. It's powerful. That's why we're growing and exploding on this channel over here, because people are realizing this is how you trade and never lose again. Quote unquote, never lose again. We will probably take losses in the future. Don't hold me to that. But I can say confidently with our risk management, our indicators, and our metrics that I'm about to show you guys here, we can be pretty accurate that we're going to win some trades for a long time coming. Okay, let's just get in here. Emotional index. We are pushed down into the anxious section. Wouldn't actually doubt it if we start getting down here and creeping down to the fearful section this weekend, because we're at Friday today. This is what we could be seeing taking over into the market. If this happens here, look at what's happened in the past. We are seeing pumps back up when we get into this fearful section. Very close to down here, we ended up seeing the bull market cycle take over here before we saw the bear market cycle push into the market. I will be looking for this to move back up here when we hit the fearful section, because whales and institutions are going to buy the fear of all the retail traders. We'll move down here and look at this, but they're already, and they have been acquiring long trades in the market while Doge has been dropping. Okay, this is what I've been looking at over here. It has been a tug of war for long trades and short trades on Dogecoin, and short trades have come out here and they've definitely pushed the market down. Long trades that thought we were going up here definitely had their stop losses most likely here. Stop losses were hit and the price drove down even further and faster because that created selling pressure in the market with stop losses being hit. Okay, I'm watching this. What I'm watching over the next few days in the week, and this is why you guys want to have this membership so you guys can watch these metrics, is if short trades drop out like it did here and long trades stay the same or increase, definitely bullish. This will tell me that demand is buying the lower prices of Dogecoin. Now, if we come out here and we see short trades stay where they're at, if not increase, and long trades move out, this shows us that the sentiment is showing us that we're expecting a further drop down in Dogecoin. So keeping an eye out for that. Long versus short trade risk in the market here. We're seeing that we're pushed down into here to the good long trade and great long trade section. Not a place to look for shorts, guys. Definitely a place to be buying. Well, an institutional smart money coming out here and they are buying this like crazy. This is exactly what we are doing. They're buying hard. We just got another buy limit in here. We are buying hard. We trade with wells and institutions and we have not lost a trade on this channel ever. Okay, support resistance prices, guys. Well, this was the strongest support here, was at 21 cents, but obviously we're below that now. So we got to come actually on this chart over here and take a look at this. And the next strongest structure support is down here. I know this is going to freak some people out, but it's down here at about 16 cents. Look at that. Do you guys see this? Structure support. Pull this all the way over here, and we're looking, that was a really good line, about 16 to 17 cents in the market here. So I wouldn't doubt if around this 17-cent mark, we could head down here and see a nice bounce back up because it's correlated to structure lows. Take a look at the overall structures here. Guys, look at where Dogecoin is. What if Dogecoin comes out here and just explodes in the second psychology of a market cycle? Isn't this actually where you guys really want to be buying? Yes, it is. I'm going to answer that question for you. This is why we are buying right now and why this is, I believe, personally, an incredible time to inject money into the market if you have it to buy more of these dips, guys. Our account over here is doing amazing. We are currently only down, I'm going to refresh this here a little bit, $50,000. We're only down, I know people down like, gosh, tens and thousands of dollars. Like we're literally down $440 here. Yeah, 80, well, 6, 7, 8. We're down $420. $420. That's all we're down here. And this market is taking the crazy crash here. This is why, and this is the best part. Not only are we not down that much, but we are getting more money into the market because more buy limits are hit. So when this market does go up, we're going to earn faster on the move up than the move back down because we're going to be acquiring more money on the move down. And when it does go up, we'll be making more money because more buy limits have been triggered. Does that make sense? Guys, this strategy is the best way to trade crypto, and hopefully I'm proving that to you guys on this channel. Okay, dollar cost average entries here. If you guys have $10,000, want to throw $1,000 into the market every time you get a green line, watch for another green line because we're probably going to get this out here, okay? Exit points in here. Taking a look at this, we don't have any exit points. Why? Because we just haven't pumped up that much. We've literally just been dropping. Next time we move up, I'll be looking for exit points in Dogecoin. All right, you guys ready to just get into some fun stuff? Here's how you guys get into our trades. We updated a chart for one of our traders here. He's keeping track of his profits, and he's like, hey, I just want to throw this out there. Below is a snapshot of my profits since winning my first trade through your membership, easing into it as I build more confidence with your indicators. Looking forward to next year's data. Guys, yes, we are jamming into next year. We have super awesome stuff for next year coming out. So this is what this guy's doing. Like every single month he's been trading with us, he's been profitable. Every single month. Obviously, we're pushing into December. In November, $2,600. Like, great job, man. This guy does $20,000 in crypto on just trading our trend exhaustion and price versus money flow indicators. This guy does $7,000 down here, $61,000 tonight. Like, crazy what these people are able to do. And then we've got more people down here doing $1,700 on VET. And then, I'll just scroll down here to a random thing. $500 on ADA. Great job. $1,300 win over here on ADA as well. ADA is a big one that a lot of people like to trade. $4,000 here. I have a guy doing I don't know. I'm not going to spend a lot of time trying to find it, but I had a guy do $60,000, another guy do $60,000, $4,000 waking up to it in the morning. Just insane what people are able to do over here. Okay, anyways, $14,000 within 5 hours. That's not bad. Okay, let's come over here and teach you guys how to get into these trades so you don't miss another one. I know our membership's cheap. The reason why for this, because I'm upping it. I'm going to be upping the price of the price first, the well money flow, the trend exhaustion, as well as our membership. The membership of $49 a month, guys, is going to be going up in price. I don't have a specific date, but I'm planning on the Q1 of next year, okay? We know this is cheap. We want to up it because we are hiring more employees on, because we are exploding. I need to make more money, period, okay? You guys are going to get grandfathered into this, and you guys will be able to keep your membership at $49 for life if you just sign up here. Let's move faster in here so we can end this video. This will give you access to all the metrics, but here's what you guys want to do. Come over to the live trade section. All of our 84 wins have been won on this single page online. It is tradeconfident.io on the live trade sections. Let's jump in here. Here's how you guys trade this. Dogecoin, all of the buy limits are right here for you guys to pick up today so you guys can get into the market. Incredible buying opportunities. Bitcoin live trading. Here we go. You guys are going to do this at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Literally in 19 minutes, all of our metrics are going to update. You guys want to come in and take the trade allocation that you want to trade with for this coin or whatever coin you want to trade. Let's say it's $1,000. You're going to split it into 4 equal portions of $250 each, okay? $250 each. What you're going to do is place them at the 4 buy limits in yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's very easy and they're labeled here. Again, they're going to update it 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Wait for your first buy limit to get hit and then set up your sell limit in the exchange. That's all you guys have to do to trade our strategy. The second thing, the last step, is to get into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits with our indicators. Sign up on Telegram on your computer or your phone first. Click this link. It will give you guys a hot link into the actual Telegram channel where I am calling exits over here with the indicators. Just how I did yesterday. We perfectly called this drop with the trend exhaustion and the price versus well money flow because I'll even show it to you guys what I called out here. Right when this pushed up in the top right section, well money flow is high. I called an exit here, which was literally at the top here. We got out for 50%, moved our stop loss to a break even. All date stamps on everything, guys. Everything is kept transparent over here so you guys can see our wins that are accurate, and that is how we're calling exits. Now, quickly, Black Friday sale, and let's end this video. You guys are getting 83% off all of our indicators, not just the main ones we use, the price versus well money flow, trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion. You guys get 83% off everything. So if you guys want to copy my charts, use the exact same ones I use to get out of trades. You need these 3 indicators. A few more dollars, you guys get the bundle pack, and it gives you 6 other indicators on top of these. You guys can use for the crypto markets, the Forex markets, as well as all of your stocks. They work on all of them. This amount of accuracy, guys, for this discount is probably the best deal you guys will buy for Black Friday because everything else you guys buy, like clothes, TVs, they're all going to depreciate in value. This will appreciate in value. Not only will this be going up in price, but this is how you guys make money to go buy more fun things in life. Like this is, guys, getting this is an investment for your future if you're getting into trading. And if you guys know about trading, we always buy on discount. Why not get the tools that you need to make money for living a lifestyle of trading crypto for a living? Get those on sale too, as well as the cryptocurrency that's obviously on Black Friday sale right now. Get both of those, set them up, and you guys will really enjoy this. It's going to be so much fun going into next year. I will never have it lower than this price again, so make sure you guys are snagging this. You have 4 days left before these prices go up. God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing day. I'll come out with a Bitcoin video later today to give us an overall wrap-up of the markets, but congrats, guys. God bless you again so much. Have an amazing weekend. I'll come back here on Monday, get your buy limits set up, get the indicators set up before they go up in price, as well as the membership set up, and make sure you guys are joining me in the Telegram channel where I'll keep you guys updated. Congratulations, guys. We are doing fantastic over here. 84 for 84 wins, trying to go 85 for 85 before the end of the month is over. By the way, guys, Matic over here, you guys are pretty much very close to being in the profit already because we just got tagged in yesterday. So a great trade to get into right now if you guys want. Solana, not even down that far. We haven't even hit our second buy limit. That's going to probably go into the profit as well. So make sure you guys are setting up your buy limits because we are going to start making more money over here and we're going to start winning more trades in the next couple weeks. Mark those words. We're going to start going up the next couple weeks because I know this market is going to take a rebound back up because people are going to buy the demand. God bless you guys. Get all the indicators in the description, your membership, get in the Telegram channel, and let's make some more money. I'll see you later, guys. Bye-bye.